guys, Tommy Kentner here. I had a guy ask about the R400, so I want to do a little video on that today and just give him like some going down the road and some good tones and mix it up and see how that goes. But sorry for the lack of content this week, guys. Just been busy, and well, the weather's been crap, and I haven't took the 18 out. It's just been sitting here in the driveway. But like I said, the R400 is a good exhaust, and I would highly recommend it. There's no drone. The fitment's really good. It does sound excellent. I had the ETS Extreme on my Hyper Blue STI, and I recommend it as a good catback exhaust, but I think with a downpipe it would be kind of ridiculous loud, because with just a catback it's one of the loudest ones that I've had. But we're going to check out the R400 by Invidia. If you do, or if you're looking for something just a little bit overstock, I'd recommend the Q300 by Invidia, and it's a really good exhaust system, but it's not as loud. But here's like the tips and stuff, and the car is a little bit dirty, so don't mind that. All right, well, we're going to take it down the road and let you listen to it. guys, and that was the R400. Had some ice drop, but that's the R400. Let me know what you think. I do have a buddy that just put the ETS system on his 18 STI, and I'll probably try to get y'all a video of that. That way you can compare the two. And we do have a lot of content coming up. I got to install the injectors, downpipe, fuel pressure regulator, and wideband. So we got that to come, and then back to the dyno after I get all that installed. And trying to think of what else. I'm gonna throw some Fortunato coilovers on my wife's 06 STI, and I think she's got some brakes too, and I gotta throw some brakes on the Baja. So y'all stay tuned for that, and don't forget, hit that like button if you like what you see, and also if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.